Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Hippo Goes Bananas. One early morning, Hippo woke up with a toothache. Ooh, ooh, he moaned. Hippo spun in circles and crashed into a tree. He made so much noise that he woke up Cuckoo Bird. What's wrong with Hippo? Said Cuckoo Bird, and she flew off to tell Monkey. Hippo's gone bananas, said Cuckoo Bird. He's knocking down every tree in the jungle. Every tree in the jungle? Yes, indeed, said Cuckoo Bird, and kicking them off the cliff. Great gibbons, said Monkey, and he ran off to tell Leopard. Hippo's gone bananas. He's knocking down every tree in the jungle and kicking them off the cliff. Kicking them off the cliff? Said, yes, indeed, said Monkey, and rolling them into the river. Leaping loomers, said Leopard, and he dashed off to tell Giraffe. Hippo's gone bananas. He's knocking down every tree in the jungle, kicking them off the cliff, and rolling them into the river. Rolling them into the river? Said Giraffe. Yes, indeed, said Leopard, and he's damming up in the water. Jumping jackrabbit, said Giraffe, and she went to tell Zebra. Hippo's gone bananas, said Giraffe. He's knocking down every tree in the jungle, kicking them off the cliff, rolling them into the river, and damming up the water. Damming up the water, said Zebra. Yes, indeed, said Giraffe, and flooding the sunshine. Wild bees, said Zebra, and off she went to tell Elephant. Hippo's gone bananas, said Zebra. He's knocking every tree in the jungle. He's kicking them off the cliff, rolling them into the river, damming up the water, and flooding the sunshine. Creeping crocodiles, called Elephant. We've got to stop him. So they went. Went all the animals to find Hippo. In one hot, dry grass, they heard a groan. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Monkey scrambled up onto Hippo's neck. What's up? asked Monkey. Oh, Hippo bellowed. Maybe he's Walter Frog, said Cuckoo Bird. Or a termite, said Leopard. Uh-oh, cried Zebra. Hippo's breath is really hot. It's burning up. He's burning up with a fever, Cuckoo Bird squawked. Let's push him in the river. They gave Hippo a great push, heave-o push, and off he bumped down the mountainside, rolling toward the river. Bumpity bump. Oh, oh, moaned Hippo. Tumpty tump. Oh, oh, oh. Bump, thump, clump. Out popped Hippo's tooth. Oh, said Cuckoo's Bird. That's what's wrong with you. The animals helped Hippo push onto his feet. Thank you, said Hippo. My toothache is gone, but now my head aches. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!